Good morning, students. Till now, we have completed till chapter 3. Now, today we will start with chapter 4, that is the Great Indian Desert. So, the students, the desert are found in the dry areas as well as cold areas because the word desert usually refer to an almost barren land where the rainfall is so scanty that it can support very little vegetation or no vegetation at all. So, what is desert? Desert refers to an area where there is no rain found, okay, and also it support very little vegetation, means ki you will not able to grow any kind of crop there, okay. So the Indian desert is called the Thar Desert. Our desert, that is the Indian desert, is known as Thar Desert, and the biggest desert of world is Sahara in Africa. And if we talk about biggest desert of world, then it is Sahara, which is located in Africa, and the desert of Arabia is another famous desert. Also the desert of Arabia, this is another famous desert. The area covered with snow in a very high mountains or in very cold countries are called cold desert because due to heavy deposit of snow. So the areas which are covered with snow, okay, snow means ice, those areas which are covered with ice where in a very high mountain or in very cold countries, high mountain and in cold countries, okay, so they are called cold desert because due to heavy deposit of snow, because the deposit of snow there is so heavy that these countries the temperature there is so very low and therefore they are called cold countries, okay. The land in these areas is almost barren. Also the land in these areas where we can found out no rain and cold, the land in these areas are almost barren, means you are not able to grow any kind of crop there. In desert, the most powerful agent of soil erosion is wind. Okay, so wind is the most powerful agent of soil erosion in desert. Location: in our country, the desert area is spreading in Gujarat and Rajasthan. So where in our country desert area is spreading? It is spread across Gujarat and Rajasthan. This area is 225 km wide and 500 km long. मतलब 25 किलोमीटर उसकी चौड़ाई है और 500 किलोमीटर वो लंबा है. दिस एरिया हैज़ लिटिल रेन एंड अ फ्यू विजिटेशन. तो इन एरिया में रेन बारिश बहुत कम होती है और विजिटेशन कभी कभी देखने को मिलता है, मतलब क्रॉप ग्रोइंग वगैरह. इट लाइज टू द वेस्ट ऑफ अरावली रेंज. सो वेयर इट लाइज? इट लाइज टू द वेस्ट ऑफ अरावली रेंज. अरावली रेंज के वेस्ट साइड में. दीज हिल्स आर सिचुएटेड बिटवीन दिल्ली एंड राजस्थान. एंड दीज हिल्स कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है? बिटवीन दिल्ली एंड राजस्थान. It occupies a major part of the state of Rajasthan and extend into Sindh in Pakistan or the Thar Desert. तो ज़्यादातर ये एरिया किसका ऑक्यूपाई करता है? राजस्थान का, और पाकिस्तान के सिंध की तरफ भी ये फैला हुआ है जिसको वी कैन कॉल एट्स थार डेजर्ट. द लैंड इज जनरली सैंडी एंड कवर्ड विथ सैंडी सॉइल. जो लैंड होते हैं वहाँ पे वो बहुत बालू जैसा होता है, सैंडी, और वो सैंडी सॉइल से कवर होता है. The river Luni flows across the southern part of Thar Desert, and also the name of one river is given. The name of river is Luni. The river Luni flows across the southern part of Thar Desert. Okay, so this is all about location of our desert. Okay, now we will read about further topic in the next class. Till now you have to complete. So read this page and in this page up to here, the desert. Okay class, thank you.